Hey everybody, welcome to a Cricut craft tutorial. Today I want to show you guys how to do those really fun picture letters that a lot of people are using for graduations, birthday parties, things like that. So the first thing you're going to want to start with is some sort of a picture that you want your letters to be a part of. So I'm going to be honest with you, I just used some random picture I found off the internet when I searched family photo. So I just picked some family. So I apologize if this happens to be your family. So all you're going to do is just upload your photo just like this. I always just select complex if it's a family photo like this. It's fine. You don't need to change anything right now. So we're just going to go ahead and click continue. And then you're going to save it here as a print and cut image. So go ahead and click save. And it's going to take a second just because it's kind of a big piece. So give it a minute. It's a little bit slow, and we all know how Design Space can be. It has its moments. Once it saves, it'll show in your uploaded pictures, and we'll insert it right into the canvas. And apparently today it's going to be very, very slow. So we'll go ahead and insert our image, and it's probably going to be a little bit slow to insert into here. That's all right. We'll just give it a minute. All right, here it comes. Like I said, it's probably going to be really big, so we'll probably have to resize it down a little bit. Oh, it's actually not too bad. So, okay. So we can see we have this lovely family. I'm actually going to use the word family just to make it easy. So first thing I want to do is get text, and I'm going to do it all in capital letters. And then I want to find a font that's kind of fat. So let me look here and find like a big, chunky, fat font. I recommend a bigger, fatter font, and you're probably going to want to bold it because you want to get as much of the picture in the font as you can. So try not to use ones like this one that have like really skinny little bit lines in them. You want something that's pretty fat throughout. I don't know if that one's going to be quite fat enough, but we can stretch them and things too. As we need to fit the names and the people in them. This guy looks kind of chunky. Let's use this guy. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to make this bigger. And I don't think that's quite going to work either. No, that's not quite fat enough. So just keep looking. You'll find a fat font. And you can stretch your fonts too and squeeze them around if you need to. That one's probably not very fat actually. I've been using this man's face to kind of give me an idea as if I can fit what I need to in them. So we'll just keep looking for another minute. That one might be the winner. There's lots of fonts too that you can download off of dafont.com, and there are some bigger, chunkier ones there. Oh, perfect. This one. All right, this is our winner. So this is pretty simple. All we're going to do is just all I'm going to do right now is just make sure that each person's face is going to fit in my letters. I'm going to do one face per letter. All right, we're good. So I'm going to take this, move it over to the side a little bit, and I'm going to ungroup my letters. You have to ungroup them because you need each letter to be its own piece. So first thing I'm going to do is take this older guy, and I'm just going to place the F over his face. And then I'm going to take the A and make sure that it'll fit over that guy. So a lot of times what I'm going to do, because they're pretty close together, you may need to move this around a bit and try not to cut off Dad's face too much. But you can also just go back and use the photo again. So I think we'll do that just because we're going to end up cutting in Dad's face no matter what we do. So you want to select your F, and you want to select your family photo, and you're going to select Slice. And it's going to pull out a couple things. You'll see that it'll all come back here in a second. But there is your F. And so you can go ahead and delete your F. And like I said, we're going to come back and just re-upload this photo. There's other ways to do it, but because I wanted a lot of space, I'm going to go ahead and close it. I'm going to go back into this, and I'm just going to reinsert my image just so I can get a good cut on Dad's face. Because you can see it kind of didn't leave me a whole lot to work with when I sliced. So again, it'll take a second for it to load. and we're just going to move our photo in, and then we're going to put our A in front. So just moved forward. Oops, moved front, sorry. And that'll put it front. And then we're going to make sure we get Dad's face. Now, I don't really want the little girl's face in it because hers is going to be all in the word, or in the M. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Slice. Select your A, select your family photo, and slice. It'll do the same thing where it's going to pull the A. We're going to go ahead and delete the original photo. And there's Dad. I'll go back in, Uploads. I'm going to insert. Now, depending on the photo that you're using, and if you're using multiple photos, you can easily not have to constantly put this back in. But I'm doing that because I purposely want just like that girl and that boy maybe in the M, if they'll both fit. I don't want to cut the kids' heads off. I don't really want to do that, but I think they'll both fit if I just kind of wiggle it around. So we're going to go ahead again, select M, select the photo, and select Slice. You're just going to do this for each and every single letter that you want to use. And I can probably do Grandma from this one. So we know that Mom is going to be the I in family, so I'll need to bring her back in. But I know that Grandma is going to be the Y, so let's go ahead and just get Grandma here. And you could do this, I mean, you guys don't have to, you could have cut Grandma out from the first letter too, it would have been fine. But since we're almost done, I'll show you guys all of them put together. And remember, you can only slice 2 items at a time. So there's Grandma, and I just realized that she should have actually been out of the L, but hey, we'll make it work. We'll just start that one over. So we're going to go again, insert the photo. Like I said, if you use a different picture, you will not have to do this constantly. Where's my family? There's my family. So yes, Mom is out of the I, so Fam is the 2 kids. She gets to be out of the I, so let's go ahead and slice her out. And remember, you can only select 2 items, so you can select that and the I. Go ahead and slice her. And we might be able to get Grandma out of the L, because I don't think she cut off too much of Grandma. So we'll probably be able to get Grandma out of the L. We just got to move this to the front, and we'll get Grandma out of the L. And again, select the photo, select the letter, and select Slice. Move that letter, get rid of it, move Grandma, find the giant photo, and delete that because we don't need it. You guys get the general idea, and you could use a family dog or something for that. But this is really simple. You can do this with patterns. You can do this with family photos. You can do this with shapes too. So if you wanted to do a big heart with your family out of it, obviously this was kind of a funky picture to do this with, but it worked. But you can do this with multiple photos. There's so much you can do with this. And just remember that these must be done with print and cut. It's the only way to get them out done the right way. You could do these with a print and cut regular vinyl and use them on a picture frame. Or you could do them with a print and cut heat transfer vinyl and put them on t-shirts, bags, just about anything. These make fantastic family gifts. If you have any questions, please let me know below. I'm always happy to answer your questions for you. If you're looking for any tutorials, comment that down below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. I hope you guys had a great day.